All right, we got the Kia Stinger 2.0. Yeah, this is the base model. We're at a little strip right now. We do little pulls. Basically, gonna see if this race strip's giving more power to the car. Do a little review on it. So as you can see, I got the race strip right here. I got the engine cold air intake. Got the blow-off valve here. Got snorkels down here. So yeah, we're gonna see if this gives more power to the car, and let's just get into that. I'll go ahead and start the car. So as you can see, it's on map 7. So pretty much gonna put everything else into sport mode. Do like 1 or 2 pulls, and we're gonna see what we're looking like. All right, I'm gonna pretty much just put everything into sport setting. So my pedal command, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it maximum. So you can see it's on Sport Plus, forward sensitivity, put the car into sport mode, custom mode. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a launch control. For those of you that don't know launch control in a 2.0 Stinger, you pretty much, or any Stinger actually, you just hold this button, transmission stability. I'm like looking around for cars and stuff, so it's gonna come off. Make sure it's in sport mode. Turn this stupid thing off down here. Front of the brake and the gas, and then we're gonna go once it launches. So there we go. Oh my god. I think I got the 60. I let it go. Damn. Okay. That was kind of crazy. That was actually kind of crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit! What the fuck? I'm doing another pull, bro. My head missing. Do another one. I'm gonna turn back around. Give me a sec. Alright, turn around. When I tell you, bro, the car is non-stop. Can you hear this? Hold up. That's not loud enough. But the car is non-stop burbling, bro. Look. I can't even. I don't know if I can hear it for real, bro. Hold up. They're like loud burbles, but like the car's never done that before. Bro, this shit is ridiculous. What the fuck? God. I can definitely tell you right now that it's 100%. There's more power in here. The burbles, bro. I can't. Element down. Damn. Yeah, I had to have heard that one. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back to everything back to standard mode right quick. I'll pull over, put the race strip back to map, whatever. So maybe later I'm gonna go by this strip again, see that cop is still there, and then we're gonna do an actual drag strip and see the whole strip. But I can definitely tell you from just doing this, the car is 100% more power than before. Alright, so I did the pulls at the park. Y'all seen that. So now I'm back at the drag strip. Cop left, so that's good. So now we can do some real 0 to 60. I can actually get to 60 this time because this is a long strip. So I'm gonna get out, put the race strip back to map 7. I ain't got no draggy or nothing, so I can't really prove. I had this car for over a year, and I didn't really do no performance mods. I just did obviously the air mods, get better airflow into the car. But like I say right now, this race strip, yeah, it definitely just awoke something. So map 7 right now, yeah, it 100% just awoke something because the burbles that this car is making. I can't really tell you how much more power it got. But I can definitely tell you that it has more power. So we got the race strip in map 7 right now. Damn, it's all these fucking bugs in here, bro. That's the one thing about this road, bro. We're gonna put the this also, I know this helps a lot too with the fucking initial launch. I know that's making it feel crazy too. Pedal commander. Damn, what is freaking nice. And then sport custom. So you can do an actual launch 0 to 60 this time and show you what I'm talking about. Downshift right quick. And clearly obviously the pedal commander, it makes it ridiculous. So yeah, pairing this together is crazy. Is it? So yeah, it makes it really sensitive, bro. So it's like you can't even really go slow with the pedal commander, you have to go fast. So do one more pull, map 7, pedal commander max, custom, traction control is off, everything's already situated. So do one more pull and yeah. Launch at 2,000, damn. God damn. Yeah, bro, that's crazy. Oh my god, I'm gonna pull over right quick. So we just made it back to the crib. Car is off. So let's pop the hood right quick. Yeah, so I pretty much drove it all the way back on map 7. Yeah, man, the race trip is definitely the move. Yeah, it definitely is an improvement. So there's no videos on how to install this to a 2.0 Stang. If you want me to show you how to do that, you let me know. But pretty much, you just got your 3 plugs. One's here, one's gonna be somewhere here, and then one's gonna be back here. So I can do an actual video if I want to see it. And I just had the race trip installed here. But yeah, if y'all need an actual video on how to install it to 2.0, let me know. I got y'all, because there's no videos on YouTube. I had to just figure out pretty much where they were. But yeah, man, it's definitely pulling a lot harder. Map 7 is pretty fun. I'm gonna drive all the way back on map 7 just to see how it feels. And yeah, stay tuned for what's coming next.